Welcome to today's free online piano lesson. Today is the first in a series of learning all of our major scales. So today we're going to be learning the key of C, no flats, no sharps, no intimidation. We'll be learning to play the right hand alone, left hand alone, hands together, and then learning to play all of the chords that are diatonic to the key of C, so that if you want to even move forward past playing your scales, learn to play and sing with some of those chords, you have that background information too. So let's take a look at the keyboard and get started. Let's get started with our key of C scale. So here's my right hand, and it's good to know your finger numbers for piano as we get started with scales. My thumb is 1, pointer finger is 2, middle finger is 3, ring finger is 4, and pinky is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna start by resting my thumb on C. Now, if you're really new to the keyboard and you're not sure which white key is which letter name, an easy way to remember, this is what I do with my really young students, is to find a set of 2 black keys. And the set of 2 black keys is the dog house. And what lives in a dog house? The dog. And so dog starts with D, so that's D. So just rest your 2 on D and line everyone else up. So each finger gets 1 key. They all have assigned seats. So our scale is more than 5 notes, so we need to figure out how to efficiently play from C to C. So my right hand is going to play these fingerings. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to cross my thumb, my 1, under to F, and then just reset my fingers. So every finger still has 1 key. And play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to C and just try that a few times through. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. A nice smooth crossing motion. Reset. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to get back down to where I was and play 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross 3 over. 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Now I can put that all together. I'm going to start from middle C, play all the way up here to this high C, and only play it 1 time, and then come back down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. That's my whole major C scale. Those are the fingerings, and I want to practice that until I almost get into a meditative state. I just want to play it over and over until I can't do it wrong. That's my whole right hand C scale. Now let's look at that left hand. My finger numbers are the same. My thumb is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This time my 5 is starting on this low C. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then I'm going to cross over my 3 to A, 3, 2, 1. So really, it's just backwards. The right hand fingerings are my left hand fingerings going the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you learn the right hand, the left hand is a little bit easier because you already have that basic information. But let's go through it just in case you need some step-by-step information here. So I have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Play the top C only once. 2, 3. Cross thumb under. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm just going to keep playing this until I can't get it wrong. One more time. Left hand C scale. Now we're going to start to put our hands together. And the way that I like to do this first is to start with both thumbs sharing middle C. because when I start from the middle and go out, my fingerings will be the same because my fingerings start from the middle and go out. So if I start from middle C, both hands play 1, 2, 3, cross thumbs under, 1, reset, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start that again from the middle. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now go back in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Just do this a few times until you feel like you can't get it wrong and you're really comfortable. Now let's try to play hands together in the same direction. So this time my notes go the same way, but my fingerings are opposite. So let's just review right hand. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And left hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to prompt you when to cross each finger. 1, 2, 3. Cross right, cross left. That takes a few tries. Cross left, cross right. But if you've already feel like you've mastered the right hand and you've mastered the left hand, there's a little bit less thinking. They can run on autopilot while you now focus on putting the hands together. 1, 2, 3, cross right, cross left. Cross left, cross right. Cross right, cross left. Cross left, cross right. There you go. So now let's play that C scale 2 octaves. Let's look at our right hand first. We already know our 1 octave scale. Now we're just going to seamlessly add a 2nd octave to that by starting over when we get to the top. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't finish with 5, cross under 1, and just do it again. Once you add 2 octaves, you can add 3, 4, 5, as many octaves as you have on your instrument. Think about it in groups of 3, 4, 3, 5. 3, 4, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Let's look at left hand now. Same as our 1 octave scale to start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And then you can end like you normally would. Start over your 2nd octave by taking your 4. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 5, 3, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's your 2 octave scale, hands together. So now let's talk about the chords that are associated with this scale. A chord, just every other note. So it's really, if we wanted to get technical with our theory, it's a stack of a major third and a minor third. Just look at your keyboard and just play every other key. So there's our 1 chord, or our C chord, our 2 chord, 3 chord, 4 chord, 5 chord, 6 chord, 7 chord, and I'm back to our 1 chord. And if you're just starting out playing piano, it's really good to just get used to feeling how playing 1, 3, 5 feels underneath your fingers. Let's try that with our left hand. So the really important chords in a key are the 1, the 4, the 5, and the 6 too. You can play a lot of songs with just those chords. You like Amazing Grace, you could put that together. Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. One of my students is playing Taylor Swift Trouble. Lots of songs you can put together with 1, 4, and 5. And as you go through this process and start to learn more of your key signatures and more of your scales, you have more options of fitting songs into different keys. This is a great place to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. There's really no end to how creative you can get with how you want to play these chords. If you think about it as a guitar player would play, you hold a chord in the left hand and your right hand is strumming all these different rhythmic patterns. And you can do the same thing as a pianist. So maybe I want to play something kind of ballady and pretty. I'm using some pedal here, my right pedal, the damper pedal. Maybe I just want to use 1, 4, and 5 with that pattern. 4, back to 1, 5. Another really popular pattern is the one from John Lennon's Imagine. Of course, there's that little chromatic line in there too. Take this from it if we're just starting out and we want to play something simple. You can play it with any chord. The last thing I'm going to go over today is adding a bass line in the left hand to your chord in the right hand. So we started playing both chords in each hand. It's still a great exercise. Not gonna hurt ya. But what sometimes sounds a little cleaner is if you just play the bass note, or think of it as just the name of the chord. If I'm gonna play my C chord, I'm just gonna play a C in the bass. Now if I go to an F chord, I'm just gonna play an F in the bass. Back to C. And now if I go to a G chord, just a G in the bass. Here's an E minor. Here's an F. Here's a G. Maybe I'll end on an A minor. So just get creative. Play around with your chords, play around with your scales, and play around with your bass notes.